What's good, YouTube? It's your boy HB3 in the building, and today I want to come to y'all with this great shout out video. This is going to be a video to someone who made something very special for me. Now, I know I come on here and I do tutorials, I may do reviews and things like that, but today this is going to be a little different video. This is going to be a video I'm just shouting out a person who helped me out with something. So this guy, his name is BrushRacks. Now, BrushRacks, when you hear that name, some of you on the Facebook scene or the Instagram scene, y'all may already know who this person is. But I wanted to do something great for when I came back to waving. You know, now that I'm back waving and I cut my hair off and everything like that. And I had been seeing this guy who was making brush racks for people where you can actually just, you know, put your brushes on a rack. And y'all seen my previous videos before where I've had brush racks made for me before, but this guy was doing something extremely special with the rack. It was just amazing what I was seeing, what he can do. This guy's his craftsmanship was spectacular. Like, I was just like, whoa, like, I gotta get one of these. You know, this is gonna be something great for myself to come back to the wave game with. So I you know, hit him up on Instagram, just, you know, hit him up. Come to find out he was in the military, so, you know, I'm proud service, he's active service. It was you know, that connection there. But ultimately it was about the waves and of course the brushes and stuff like that. And I asked him, I was like, hey, I seen that you had made a brush rack for, you know, my boy J. Lou. He made a brush rack for Nick Wavy. If, you know, if anyone of y'all know who that is, both of those are YouTubers and dope ass wavers. So he made some brush racks for them, and I seen them and I was like, yo, that's really cool. But you know how I am, y'all know how I am. I'm over the top. I'm just over the top. I gotta, if I see somebody do something great, I gotta be greater, or I gotta do something better, you know. So, but ultimately I wanted to do it for myself. You know, I got the funds to do it. I was like, let me put him to the test, you know what I'm saying? Let me see exactly what he can do. You know, let me test his craftsmanship. You know, so I hit him up, we talked, you know, shoot the shit, you know, we're talking back and forth, and I actually was able to come up with some ideas. We were shooting ideas off each other, and he was like, hey, I think I got it. You know, I think I know what you want. I was telling him about colors, I was telling him about things that I like, all of my nicknames from the wave pages, you know, just all of that stuff. And he came back with, here's what it is. This is a short video. I just wanted y'all to know who it is. I'm going to be putting his description down. I'm going to be putting his information down in the description below. I'm definitely going to do that. If you want to hit him up, definitely hit this guy up. He can hook you up with some dope racks. And he doesn't do it just for brushes. Maybe you're a barber who wants something to hold your clippers in. Maybe you are a beautician that you want to hold your utensils and stuff that you use in, you know, doing women's hair. I don't know. But this guy can get extremely creative. You know, I can see him making things for people's game systems, you know, creative things for people's game systems. I can see him doing a lot of stuff with this. But if you are a dope waver, or you just a waver in general, and you got a lot of brushes, you may want to hit this guy up. He actually made me a brush rack. This, what I'm about to show you here, is dope. Get at this guy, please. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Got more coming. Let's go check out this 20 brush rack that he made for me. Let's go.
Chuki, peace.
So that's pretty much it. As y'all can see, I got a lot of, I had that thing full of brushes, man. Had that thing full of brushes. 20 of them. Dope brushes too. Royalties, Torrento Pros, you name it. Some old, some new. If you want to get at BK, that's where I get my brushes from. I get my brushes from Brush King, brushking.org. If you need to look at reviews, I may do some reviews, but if you want to look at some real dope reviews, go over and hit up my boy J. Lou. Check out J. Lou's YouTube. He's done pretty much a bunch of reviews on all of Brush King's brushes. But those brushes that were inside that brush rack are definitely going to be from Brush King. You can get that at brushking.org, or you can get the brushes on Amazon. He sells them on Amazon as well. Yo, but anywho, man, it's your boy HB3. I'm out of here, man.